White's challenge here is to save this group by capturing some of Black's stones. So Black seems very well connected here. It seems very solid. If White just Ataris, then there's no hope, because this white stone right here is dead. There's just absolutely no hope if White tries these two Atari moves. So what should White do in this situation? Escaping here doesn't really work. This doesn't really work. So Go is all about sequence, right? So the sequence really matters. And the key here is not to play this Atari, but instead to play this. And this is what's so neat about the game of Go, because now Black is paralyzed. No matter what Black does, White can succeed, right? Or even without the 1 and 2 exchange. Just by playing here, the problem is already solved. So if Black plays here, then White Atari this, and now White can escape. Black cannot come in here, cannot come in here, can only play this, but now it would be too late. White will win the race to capture, like this. So Black cannot connect here. What if Black plays this? Then this would be a connect and die situation for Black. So number 2 also doesn't work. This is the same story as the previous number 2. What about this? Now White can cut and Atari, and White will win the capture race this way. So no matter how Black responds, White will succeed after White's number 1. So this previously seemingly very solid shape is actually not solid at all, which brings me back to my point of slowing down and calculating. These problems are helpful in helping you identify potential plays that you can make in games. And in real games, if you can make this move and rescue 9 stones, right, more than 20 points in total, this will likely help you win an entire game. And that is part of the reason why you should do these Go problems, because they really help you stay sharp. So good luck, and thank you for watching.